Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. RX0 is down for humpool, looks like only. So came to check my miners and all of the pools red. I'm like, what's going on? And I went to humpool, looks like it's been down for quite a bit. So I pretty much missed that time, about 3 hours now of mining or more from 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh my gosh, so about 5 hours. So anyways, if you're mining on the hum pool, I suggest you switch. So I just switched to Viper pool and looks like the Viper pool getting connected. Is it showing connected? But I don't see accepted shares yet, so we'll see if something gonna go or not, or I have to reboot maybe the miner. Yeah, it's connecting and disconnecting. So let me reboot that and try to get my other miners to connect to the Viper pool. Maybe the whole network of the Radiant is down or something like that, but I would doubt. So let's get here on Viper. I have this for RX02 set up, save. And let's see if we're gonna connect to the pool with this one. Let's refresh. There's no pool connection. Again, maybe need to reboot. Yeah, so let me see the first one. Still rebooting. Wonder what happened with these miners. They were all overclocked pretty much. Not all of them was overclocked like crazy. Okay, so looks like this pool connected, but it doesn't show any board clocks, which is really weird. What's going on there? Right, so this just rebooted. Let's see if we can get any luck with this. With the first RX0, if we're gonna connect to pool there, then I need to go to Viper basically and find my account. I haven't used that for a while, so need to check if I'm gonna be there on the pool. So yeah, it will take a few minutes to connect, but this miner doesn't look like yeah, getting any shares. So I'm gonna reboot that too. And we're gonna go to the next one. So see the pool, hum pool, I just reboot all of this. This miner, 3 minutes, 6 minutes, nothing going on. No pool connection whatsoever. Let's see if this will even connect to the Viper pool. It's showing connected. Oh, one accepted share. Okay, so yeah, hum pool definitely down. We'll reboot this machine. Let's set up this to Viper. So make sure you get your stuff adjusted as you go. You can also add the pool. I don't know if that's gonna work. Let's see if I'm gonna have Viper as a second pool. This is gonna be my number 3. Let's save it and let's see if that's gonna switch between the pools. I'm kind of interested to see if the first one not connecting, will it go to the next pool, because the first one is just gonna fail to connect, right? I don't know how many minutes it's gonna go and try to connect. Eventually it's gonna fail, so hopefully we'll switch to the next pool. If not, I just gonna need to, okay, so it looks like it's done with the hum pool. Now it's still trying to connect to the first pool. That's weird. Let's see, second miner, we just rebooted. Yeah, just 21 seconds. Usually take a little while before we get any connection. Let's see if the first one, okay, so we get in clocks there, 640 finally. Full connection, 62 accepted shares. So yeah, we should be back online with number 1. Number 2, it's still booting up, looks like, but yeah, showing up the pool connected. Right there, green, everything is good. 1 accepted share, so number 2 is gonna start getting probably clocks showed up. Number 3, Still connecting on the first pool ridiculously, so I should probably just delete and put the new pool there. Let's put the Viper here. Wonder how you can, maybe you can switch there. Never tried that. So let's see, this is gonna be number 4. Let's save it. Let's see if it's gonna switch without restarting the miner, because the other one didn't work. So it's only 9 minutes, so hopefully it will get connected and get accepted share. Yeah, this one no luck. Maybe, how do you switch? Can you switch? I can just delete the first one, probably, boom. And yeah, then it will be just one pool. So let's see the second one, getting shares. It's showing the chip clocks, which is good. So eventually we're gonna show something going on this one. 2, 3, so number 3. Still trying to connect to Viper, is it? Trying even. It's not even trying now. May need to reboot. Oh no, it's connected. Let's see if it's gonna get accepted share, because the clocks already went to the 687, and that could be an issue because it jumped up on the next server right away. Yeah, doesn't get, it's trying to connect again. Well, let's see, maybe I got banned from humpool by overclocking those miners, which I don't know how would they do that, but I guess. All right, so number 4, we actually start getting accepted shares then on Viper pool. But number 3, oh, and number 3, 70, okay. All right, so, oh, that's number 2. Number 2, number 3, 2 accepted. Okay, so number 3 start getting friction, number 4. And let's see number 8. Number 8, we are basically disconnected from humpool there, so we should do the same thing there. Go to the Viper. Everything switching to Viper. All right, guys. So yeah, basically, if you've been mining to the humpool with your RX0 Radiant, any Radiant miner, look like the humpool is just temporarily down, but it's been like quite a bit of while. 5 hours. That's a lot of time just wasted, unfortunately. All right, so let's go to the Viper. I don't recall the Viper pool. Do I have it set up right there? Enter address. Right there. Radiant pool. So enter. Right. So I could just basically copy this Viper wallet right there. Where is Viper? And try to get the stats. Let's see if I can get anything. Now search by mining address right there. Boom. Loading. Hopefully I'll get something going on there. All right, so I don't see active workers yet. Obviously, I just switched it, so it's not like you're gonna see it immediately. It's usually take probably a few 5 minutes maybe. So let's see if this one gonna start getting accepted shares at all. Yeah, 51 accepted shares. All right, so yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you switched on time. Maybe humpool gonna start working in just as soon as I switch, like always. Right there we start getting the hash rate there on this miner, and hopefully start getting this overclocks going on, and we'll see how all my data there, all my statistics for workers probably gone. I was getting like 400 gigahash on this, and now it's like boom, All my data messed up. Now I have to mine again for a day. I don't know what's going on there. And let's go to check miner stats. Miner stats. Miner stats. What is that? Is that here? No. Not miner stats. Mining pool stats right there. And let's check RXD, Radiant. What do we have here? Viper, 83%. Oh my gosh, everybody switched to Viper. 88.3%. And I was just a lonely one. Look at that. Humpool 0. So it is down for quite a bit. And I look like I'm the only one. It's just being stupid. Alright, well, K1 pool has some stuff. I need to test K1 pool, you know. I don't know. Viper, maybe we'll see. I'll probably gonna put one machine on K1 pool since I have accounts there. And it'll be easy. I'll just add, and we'll see the difference. Yeah, I need to test it now. Well, humpool just really screw me over with this Radiant. Let's see if any miners gonna show up. Nope, no workers. Active workers 0. Wonder how long it's gonna take. So this one getting accepted shares. Looks like, yeah, we getting. Are we gonna get hash rate on this one or not? Number 4, number 3. Okay, number 3 showing up the hash rate. Number 2 showing up the hash rate. So all of them showing the hash rate, but unaccepted shares. Am I doing the right address? ZXQ. Yeah. 15. So what's going on? What's wrong with that? One more time. Let me copy this address and try it again. See if any workers there. Well, it should be because there's some unpaid balance, which I was testing this pool, so there is nothing there going on. Crazy. Maybe the humpool, maybe the network hash rate actually dropped as well. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, it did drop from 3.3 to 2.4. So looks like because of humpool, it lost a lot of stuff. Yeah, so guys, if you're mining humpool, switch it off. And so you don't lose time until the humpool back or not. I don't know, it's kind of disappointing, but looks like everybody on Viper now. All right, thanks for watching and have a good day. Click the like button. See they're subscribing to my channel. No workers, they should show up. Let's wait a minute so I can update you guys. All right, so we are back and mining on Viper pool now. RX0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 showing up here on the pool. And let's refresh. What are we getting? We're getting, there was RX0 8 also, but I switched it to K1 pool to test it out. So we will I just want to see the difference on those two pools, but just for testing, so I have it here now. And we'll see what the hash rate is going to show on my overclocked. So all of them showing up the hash rate now. They're all back and mining. I'm not sure how is the overclocking going to work. And by the way, the new overclocks is being tested. So I'll be booting up the new overclocks and test it out as well. So we'll see how it works. But so far, we are back online. That's the important part. Just watch the Discord. I got notification, but I kind of missed it there on the humpool. It was down right there. It looks like RXD pulled down from 8:40 a.m. So it's been more than 5 hours. It's been like almost 7 hours. Gee. So I missed a lot, I guess. Oh my gosh. Such a waste. Anyways, guys, switch right away if you're still in the humpool, and we'll see you guys on the next one. And happy mining, Radiant. coin, I guess. Yeah, back online. Happy now. All right. See ya.